What season follows autumn?
Winter comes after autumn.
Which season is the coldest of the year?
Winter is the coldest season of the year.
How would you describe winter weather?
Winter weather is cold, often including snow and ice.
What do people wear to stay warm in winter?
People wear layers, hats, and gloves to stay warm in winter.
Name some activities people enjoy in the snow.
Skiing, snowboarding, and building snowmen are enjoyed in the snow.
What type of footwear do you wear in the snow?
Boots are worn on feet to keep warm in the snow.
Define a snowflake.
A snowflake is a delicate ice crystal that forms in the atmosphere.
How is a snowman built?
A snowman is built by rolling snow into balls and stacking them.
What is a snowball fight?
A snowball fight is a playful activity of throwing snowballs.
What is the purpose of a snowplow?
A snowplow is used to clear snow from roads and streets.
Explain what black ice is.
Black ice is a thin, hard-to-see layer of ice on roads or sidewalks.
How do you make a snow angel?
Lie on your back in the snow and move arms and legs for a snow angel.
Define a winter storm.
A winter storm is a combination of snow, ice, and strong winds.
What is the significance of Groundhog Day in winter?
Groundhog Day predicts winter length based on a groundhog's shadow.
Why do people wear earmuffs in winter?
Earmuffs are worn to keep ears warm in cold weather.
What is frostbite?
Frostbite is when skin and tissue freeze due to extreme cold.
How does salt help in icy conditions?
Salt is spread on roads to melt ice and make it safer for travel.
Describe a winter coat.
A winter coat is a heavy jacket for warmth in cold temperatures.
What is the difference between a snowstorm and a blizzard?
A snowstorm is heavy snowfall. A blizzard includes strong winds.
Explain what the northern lights are.
Northern lights are colorful lights from charged particles in the atmosphere.
How does cold weather affect animals?
Cold weather may lead animals to hibernate or grow thicker fur.
What is a toboggan?
A toboggan is a long, narrow sled used for sliding on snow.
What are the Winter Olympics?
The Winter Olympics feature cold weather sports every 4 years.
What is a snowblower?
A snowblower is a machine to remove snow from sidewalks and driveways.
What is the purpose of an ice scraper?
An ice scraper is used to remove ice from a car's windshield.
What is ice fishing?
Ice fishing is catching fish through holes in frozen bodies of water.
What is hot cocoa?
Hot cocoa is a warm chocolate drink often enjoyed in winter.
Define the winter solstice.
The winter solstice is the shortest day and longest night of the year.
How do animals prepare for winter?
Animals may hibernate, migrate, or grow thicker fur in winter.
What is the purpose of a snow fence?
A snow fence is used to control snow accumulation in an area.
What is ice skating?
Ice skating is gliding on ice using ice skates, often on frozen lakes.
Define icicles.
Icicles are hanging spikes of ice formed by freezing, dripping water.
How do you make a snow cone?
Crush ice and flavor it with syrup to make a snow cone.
What is a snow fort?
A snow fort is a structure built from compacted snow, often for snowball fights.
What is a ski resort?
A ski resort is a location for skiing, snowboarding, and winter sports.
What is a winter hat called?
A winter hat is often called a beanie, takwa, or knit cap.
How does cold weather impact plants?
Cold weather may lead plants to go dormant, lose leaves, or die.
What is a snow globe?
A snow globe is a decorative glass sphere with water and snow-like particles.
What is the purpose of a snowplow truck?
A snowplow truck is equipped with a blade to clear snow from roads.
At what temperature does water freeze?
Water freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius.
What is a winter festival?
A winter festival is an event celebrating winter with various activities.
What are ski poles used for?
Ski poles are used for balance and propulsion while skiing.
What is a snowshoe?
A snowshoe is footwear used for walking on snow, distributing weight.
What is a snow emergency?
A snow emergency restricts travel during heavy snowfall.
How do you prevent frost on windows?
Prevent frost on windows by using vinegar and water or a defrosting spray.
What is a snowstorm warning?
A snowstorm warning is issued for heavy snowfall and strong winds.
How does altitude affect snowfall?
Higher altitudes experience more intense and frequent snowfall.
What is the purpose of a thermos in winter?
A thermos is used to keep beverages hot in cold weather.
What is a snowdrift?
A snowdrift is a mound of snow formed by the wind.
How does a snow fence work?
A snow fence helps control the accumulation of snow in a specific area.